Tomorrow, we'll be waiting on this storm system to start approaching the area. This has impacts on the end of our week and the start of our weekend, including the potential, unfortunately, for some more gusty winds in the valley. Now, starting the day off tomorrow, it will be a colder morning, 20s to kick off your day, but lots of sunshine. We're going to keep that sun around all day long. As we get into the afternoon, trying to get those temperatures to rise into the 40s. I think about mid 40s for most of us. A few spots will flirt with upper 40s. Not quite as warm as it was today, but still overall it's not bad for us. Now into tomorrow evening, we'll start looking at those clouds building back in. There's a push of warmer air that comes that brings a small chance for perhaps a stray sprinkle or shower overnight Thursday into early Friday morning. But the bulk of the precipitation that I'm looking for comes after sunrise. This is 8 o'clock in the morning. Temps are already in the 40s here. And notice that rain off to the west. It starts moving in. We could see a period of perhaps moderate to heavy rainfall through late morning into the early afternoon. There will be a chance for some rumbles of thunder, and we're going to keep pushing that warmer air in. So our high on Friday, I'm expecting us to get back into the 50s there, but it may take us until the latter part of the day to reach our high in the mid 50s. Now, the showers become more sporadic into Friday evening, but there will be more rain moving in Friday night and the potential for some thunderstorms as this cold front approaches from the west. This will also be a period where we see the wind starting to kick up. Now, into Saturday morning, notice how there's a pocket of some clearing here. A pocket of dry air may allow us to start our Saturday with some sun. This would only enhance our winds, though, before more rain develops and the colder air wrapping in on the backside of this system. Well, that is going to allow for the chance to see some snowflakes late in the day. So kind of two windows here on our Friday into Saturday where things get gusty, one overnight, and then we're watching the late morning where that's our best potential to perhaps see winds gusting in that 50 to 55 mile per hour range. Not out of the question. It's something that we will be watching closely through this week. So 24 clearing skies, no concerns aside from the potential for pockets of black ice or some slippery spots on driveways and parking lots in the morning. But otherwise, we're going to see a lot of sunshine, not just in the morning. We keep it for the afternoon with 47 degrees your high. And then into Friday, we cloud up again, unsettled. The risk for showers and storms returning. Mid 50s the high there. Upper 50s Saturday early before temperatures start dropping. We'll see some rain that could mix with snow by our Saturday evening, and watching again for that potential for some gusty winds. Sunday, another day with sunshine in the 40s, but next week, there's some warm weather to look forward to. Mid 60s on Monday, and look at Wednesday, a high around 71.